Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to wire money on Citizens Bank. Sending money through Citizens Bank is simple once you know the steps. For domestic wire transfer, you can initiate the process online through the mobile app or in person at a branch. You'll need your full name, address, and account number, along with the recipient's full name, address, account number, and their bank's routing ABA number, plus a reason for the transfer. Domestic wires generally cost $15 to $25 and must be submitted by around 11:30 a.m. for same-day processing. For international transfers, you must visit a branch in person as this cannot be completed online. Bring your information and recipient's details, including bank name, address, SWIFT code, and routing number if applicable, along with the transfer purpose. Internationally, wires usually cost $30 to $50, should be submitted by 5 p.m. for same-day processing and are typically delivered within 1 to 5 business days depending on the destination and intermediary banks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.